Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download it on TikTok without a watermark. So first of all, let's open up our TikTok and let's download some random TikTok. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the share button if it is accessible to download, and I'm gonna just hit download. Okay, after we download it, you're gonna just go ahead to your photo album and you're gonna see the video that you downloaded. You will notice that there is TikTok logo in it. Alright, so how we can download it without the watermark? I'm gonna go back to my screen. I'm gonna go back to TikTok. All right, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna click the share button again, and I'm gonna just see right here there is a copy link. All right, and after we copy the link, I'm gonna go back to my screen. I'm gonna go back to you're gonna go ahead to your Safari, and once you go to your Safari, you're gonna search for something called SnapTik, and after we search for it and find it in our search result, I'm gonna just paste the link right here, and I'm gonna just click download, and I'm gonna just download it HD. All right, and after we download it, let me just wait up for a few moments right here, and after we download it, you're gonna witness that if we open the video that there isn't a watermark. All right, as you can see, there isn't watermark. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to all the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.